To Kill a Mockingbird, author Harper Lee, published 1960. Country, United States. Genre, fiction, coming of age, social justice. Summary, a young girl learns about racism and fairness in the American South. To Kill a Mockingbird is a touching story told by a young girl named Scout Finch who lives in a small town in Alabama during the 1930s. Through Scout's eyes, we see how her father, Atticus Finch, tries to defend a black man, Tom Robinson, who is wrongly accused of a crime. The story shows the unfairness and prejudice that existed in society at that time. Scout and her brother Jem learn important lessons about courage, kindness, and understanding people who are different. The book teaches readers that real bravery means standing up for what is right, even when others disagree. It also reminds us not to judge people before we truly know them. Harper Lee's writing is simple yet powerful, and the story feels real and emotional. This novel helps us think about fairness, humanity, and the importance of doing good in a world that can often be unfair.